Tata IPL 2023 Mumbai Indians New and final probable squad. Number 1 Rohit Sharma, captain, right-handed batsman. Number 2 Tim David, right-handed batsman. Number 3 Ramandeep Singh, right-handed batsman. Number 4 Tilak Verma, left-handed batsman. Number 5 Surya Kumar Yadav, right-handed batsman. Number 6 Ishan Kishan, left-handed batsman. Number 7 Tristan Stubbs, all-rounder. Number 8 Dewald Brevis, all-rounder. Number 9 Arjun Tendulkar, all-rounder. Number 10 Jasprit Bumrah, fast bowler. Number 11 Jofra Archer, fast bowler. Number 12 Mohammad Arshad Khan, fast bowler. Number 13 Kumar Kartikeya, spin bowler. Number 14 Hrithik Shokin, fast bowler. Number 15 Jason Berndrup, fast bowler. Number 16 Akash Madhwal, fast bowler.